Yo, what's up YouTube? This is FLOW ALGO, and today I'm going to be breaking down where the S&P could potentially go in the future if the Fed doesn't fix the stock exchanges. Because basically at the minute they're just hounding them with shitloads of interest rates. Everyone is getting shit in the bed because of the electricity bills, etc. And literally the fucking S&P is bleeding. You can tell what's going on. It's clearly not good. And price is showing a reversal on the 3-month time frame, so this is very long term. Like you can see, as a break of support, we want to see it flip resistance, so a retest of that would clearly point that it's rejecting. TP1 has already been hit, but we've also got TP2 and our 100% swing, so there's also possibilities of it coming all the way down here. If price would have came here, we could have all got into a trade from 1 to 2 or a 1 to 3. Let's see what happens. Like you can see here, price retests this area. Beautiful. We can get like an entry. If it does go all the way down here, that's a 38% unleveraged. So if we're 100 times leveraged, we're going to make a huge amount of money on this trade. So yeah, this is still running. If we entered on today's date, we could catch a nice 33% still if it runs all the way down. Unless the government saves the S&P and all the stocks, this is going to bleed all the way down. So let's see what happens. So if we go to the weekly time frame, I'm actually going to show you how you can actually scalp this and see where price is going short term. So like you see, we have support here. Like you can see, price faked out. There's also support here. There's support here. Like you can see, boom, support quite a lot here. Like we can see, huge amount of support. If price does break through these levels, it should radiate towards 32.71. So this is off like our most recent major support. Like you can see, price is just pushing off of this level to the upside. But we've also got a nice resistance. Like you can see, support and then resistance. So I can see this like reversal on the 3-month time frame actually play out pretty well. And we've also got a reversal on 1 week. So we look at taking this short position here all the way to the bottom. A cheeky trade. That's a trade that we could take right now if we wanted to. But price could potentially retest this area here, so I wouldn't specifically take this as of right now, because I can't be bothered waiting 3 weeks for a loss. But you never know, that could actually play out pretty nicely. But I do believe it could come up to here for now. So let's see what happens. If we go down to the 1 day, let's see what price is doing here. I actually took this sell on the S&P right here. This is a beautiful sell on the reversal. I'll actually show you that trade now. So it was like right here. This is where the trade was setting up. Actually bouncing, the price has bounced off on the higher time frames. And then FLOW ALGO, because I check the lower time frames like the hourly and stuff like that, because I like quick scalps. Like you see, it was showing a reversal, so we can take a risky trade here. Because price actually hasn't broke below yet. Prefer this coming down. Looking for a 100% swing for a 1 to 2.7 risk reward, and boom, price absolutely shut the bed. I actually didn't hold all the way. I got out around this level here. And yeah, that is simply how I trade the S&P, or how you lot can make a lot of profit trading the 3-month time frame when it absolutely crashes. So I hope you enjoyed this breakdown. Peace out. Let's go.